Good morning, children. Let's start the class today. Today in the class we are going to learn to compare the numbers. We compare the numbers to find the bigger and the smaller number and to arrange the numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay, first to compare the numbers we have to count the number of digits. Suppose if there is a number 658 and 4193. So if you compare this one, these two, first you count the number of digits. So here there are 3 digits and here there are 4 digits. So in these two, this number is having a greater number of digits. So the number which has a greater number of digits, that is a bigger number. So you have to put a greater than sign here. So when you put the greater than sign, you have to open the mouth towards the bigger number and you close the mouth towards the smaller number. Don't make mistakes. Some children always write, when they say smaller number to mark, they write it like this. So it is wrong. So the symbol is same for greater than and less than. Only thing, the open mouth, open side will be the bigger number and the mouth closed side will be the smaller number. So if the number which is having the greater number of digits, that is the greater number. Suppose if both are having same number of digits, let me give an example. So in these two numbers, if you see here also 4 digits, here also 4 digits. So when there are same number of digits, then you have to look at the number in the greatest place. So here the greatest place is 1000. So in the thousands place is here 7 and here 3. So here are 7000, here are 3000. So which is bigger in 7 and 3? The bigger one is 7. So 7 is bigger. So automatically this number is the bigger number. So greater number. So greater number side we open the mouth and the smaller side we close the mouth. Okay, suppose if both are having same number, now the first digit is same, then what to do? So if we take in these two number, if we compare the first digit, here 5 and here 5, so both are equal. So if it is both are equal, then you have to compare the next digit, here 2 and here 9. So in 2 and 9 is greater. Since 9 is greater, so this number will be the greater number. So this is the way we compare the numbers. So once again I will explain. First, if the which is having a greater number of digits, that will be the greater number. If both are having same number of digits, then you compare the first digit. So in that which is greater, that will be the greater number. If the first digit is same, then you look into the second digit. In these two numbers, which is greater, that will be the greater number. So it will go on like that. You can compare if these two are same, then you have to compare the third digit. Suppose if 3 digits are same, then you compare the last digit. Suppose if they both all the 4 digits are same, then the number is equal. Okay, here the numbers are given. Now let's do the ascending and descending order. To do the ascending and descending order also, you have to compare the number. First we will do the ascending order. In ascending order, we have to arrange the number from small to big number, from small number to the big number. So here we have to find which is the smallest. Okay, let's compare the numbers and write the numbers in ascending order. To write in ascending order, we are arranging small to big. So here the digits all are having 4 digits. So if all are same number of digits, then I told you to look at the first digit. So here the first digit is 2, then here 4, here is 1 and here is 5. So in 2, 4, 1, 5. So which is smaller? The smaller one is 1. So this is the smallest number. So 1620. Then the next greater number is 2. So this will be the next number. Again the next greater number is 4. So this will be the next number. Again the next greater number is 5. So the last number is 5243. So this is the way we arrange in ascending order. To arrange in ascending order, we are arranging small to big. Now descending order. To arrange in descending order, we arrange the number from big to small. So first we have to write the bigger number. So here also we compare the first digit. So the bigger digit is 5. So that will be the first number. So 5243 is first in descending order. The next smaller number will be 4193. Then the next smaller number is 2536. Then the next smaller number is 1620. So ascending order, just if you write ulta, no, you will get the descending order. Let me solve one problem from exercise 1.3. It is in page number 79. There is a word problem is given. Sixth question. First A1. I am giving an example. This is a word problem, so you have to write the statement. So we were learning comparing numbers. In this problem, they are asking you to compare the numbers. So let me read the question. The cost of a sofa set is rupees 9,500 and that of a dining table is rupees 9,300. Which item is costlier? They are asking which item is costlier. So when they ask like this, which item is costlier, that means you have to compare and say which is having a more price. First let us write this statement. For problem solving, for the word problem, you have to compulsory you have to write the statement. You cannot write directly the answer. Compulsory you have to write the statement. I am giving you, I am stressing and telling you, you have to write the statement. So first let us write. Cost of a sofa set equal to rupees 9,500 and cost of a dining table $9,300. So when you write also, you must see that in the statement that equal sign comes in the same position. Not one statement is here, one statement is there, should not write. So you must see that it is coming nearly same place. That way you write it. You look in and write it. Then you arrange the digits also in order. That will be the better way and it will look good also. And now we have to compare and see which is the bigger one. So here in 9,500 and 9,300. Now both are 4 digits. So first we look in the first digit. Here is 9 and here also 9. So both are same. So now we will look at the next digit. Here 5 and here 3. So in 5 and 3, 5 is bigger. So surely this number will be the bigger number. So 9,500 is the bigger. So the answer is rupees, which is having 9,500 rupees sofa set. So sofa set is the costlier one. Therefore, you have taken right the answer also. The sofa set is costlier. Costlier than dining table. This is the way you have to write the answer. This is the way of writing the problem solving. So I want you to present it also in this way. Thank you.